Hey there, I'm Mealtime Mentor Lauren, and today I am so excited to be here with Nick Calaway, who is the owner and head brewer at Ahnapee Brewing Company in Algoma, Wisconsin. And this is part of our Sips and Snacks video series where we're pairing delicious food with even better drinks. And Nick is here today to walk us through a beer pairing with our steak and chimichurri sauce recipe. So Nick, tell me what is going to go well with this recipe.
So ambers and reds really go well with anything that's grilled. And in this case, this is a grilled skirt steak. That caramelization that happens on the outside of the steak is the same caramelization that happens to these malts. So you get a really complementary flavor of a little bit of caramel from the malt, but you also get that burnt kind of roasty thing that's happening in the steak. We have ambers and reds, like I said, Johnny Blood Red, we have Capital, and then we have ours. All of them are similar styles. They may be called amber, they may be called red, but they're actually kind of the same thing, right?
Interesting.
So some of them are a little bit hoppier, some are a little maltier. As far as ours, I think we struck a nice balance. So it's not too hoppy, nice and drinkable. More medium body, so we're really trying to match body of the food to the body of the beer.
Okay.
And that helps one not taking over the other. So you don't want the beer to be too much for the food, and you don't want the food to be too much for the beer. And in this case, the chimichurri has a little bit of heat, and the sweetness of this beer is really going to kind of calm that down, so it's going to cut that. And then the steak, like I said, is going to be complementary to the grilled foods and the amber caramelized malts. So,
interesting. I would never think of an amber to be sweet.
Yeah, it's got a nice malty sweetness. You can actually smell it.
Sure. Yeah. It smells so good.
Yeah, just nice light caramel notes. A little bit of hop, but not too much. So
when you say pouring it into a glass so you're able to get the aroma, that's kind of the rule of thumb versus drinking out of the bottle?
Most definitely, yeah. So we poured into a glass, not only see the color, so it's an amber color, which is a good thing. You can see the foam. That really allows the beer to start, those bubbles are popping, and they're actually releasing aroma, so you can smell it.
So it's kind of like you drink with your eyes, just like you eat with your eyes. That's what we always say, at least.
Most definitely, yes. So here, we got that light hop character. We have that nice caramel malt character, and then just a clean, easygoing finish. So
awesome. So take a drink, and then next step is we try some of the food.
Most definitely. And then when we're about 1/3 left of the food, we're going to taste a little bit more of that beer.
Okay.
It's really good.
It is very good. Yeah, I really taste the sweetness, which is interesting.
And it calms down that touch of heat. I mean, you can make the chimichurri as hot as you want, obviously, but it calms it down a little bit. So
yes, it's absolutely delicious. Well, thank you so much for being here with us today. And if
for
you're
having
looking for more videos in this series, you can find them on our YouTube channel. And if you're looking for more recipes from your Mealtime Mentors, visit bestfoods.com/meals.